We're running right now. This is 6,000 RPM.
Tell me what you want each time.
Sure. This is 6,000 RPM. We went through the warm cycle of 30 minutes. Spindle, there's no harmonics or anything. Spindle looks good. I'm looking at the weight covers that you said were dented, but I don't see any dents or anything. All the weight covers are in good condition, and the wipers seem to be in good condition. You can see the two double chip augers down there, the tool presetter. I'll take it up to 10,000 right now. We'll program that in. There's 10,000 RPM. Once again, no harmonics, no vibration whatsoever on the spindle. We'll take it up to 12,000. 12,000, still sounds great, no noise whatsoever. We've got no vibration on it whatsoever. Yeah, it sounds great. We'll take it up to 15,000 now. That's 15,000. Once again, no vibration, no harmonics whatsoever. We'll take it up to 18,000. Slight harmonics to it, no vibration whatsoever. We'll take it down to 10. That's at 10,000 RPM. Spindle sounds good. At 20,000 RPM, there is some slight vibration, more so in harmonics. But the machine is extremely clean. And then, no, it's not a balanced tool in there, so we're going to get some vibration at the highest RPM. If we could have it, your Y-axis moved out. I just want to see the weight covers.
Oh, okay.
You can take the spindle off. Yeah, there's no dents or anything on any of these weight covers. Could I have the Z-axis go negative? Weight covers look... Yeah, all the weight covers are just perfect on this. Could I have the X-axis now? Yeah, there's no dents or anything on the weight covers. It's extremely clean. Thank you.